Here are some tips that I have learned for talking while burping. Start off by only trying to burp one word per burp.
Burp. Meow. Woof.
Start off with smaller 1 and 2 syllable words. The more syllables a word has, the more work it takes to burp it out in a clear and understandable manner. When you feel the air ready to come up and out, start sounding out the first sound of the word you want to say. If you've watched enough of my videos and streams, you'll see times where I end up making that first sound 1 to 3 times before I end up burping the word. That is because it feels like I'm about to burp, so I start into it, only to find out that the air isn't quite as ready as I thought it is, and it still needs another second or two. Enunciate, enunciate,
Enunciate.
A lazily burped word has a greater chance of not sounding like the word that you're trying for. This is why you see my lips going all over the place at times while I'm burping out my words, trying my best to enunciate each and every sound that makes up the word being burped. Practice until burping small words becomes as easy as a normal burp. Once you get to where burping out small words is almost as easy as burping, well, then you're ready to try to
Burp out multiple words in a row.
so you can do whole statements and sentences within your burps.